If you're looking for an unusual recipe, you've come to the right place. Look what cookbook I just got. Campbell's Cookbook, Cooking with Soup. All thanks to a very groovy supporter. Thank you so much. But I found this recipe inside. It's for turkey shortcake. And I thought, turkey shortcake? I have to try it now. I'm gonna start by cooking some jumbo biscuits. Hot, a can of cream of chicken soup, 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it together. A can of sweet peas, a tablespoon of pimentos, and about a cup of diced cooked turkey. Time to heat this up. I've split my biscuits. Let's smother it in turkey goo. Turkey shortcake. It's comfort food through and through. I'm reading a book right now all about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down.